After being exclusive to iOS for more than a year, Clubhouse on Sunday debuted its Android app on the Play Store. The move will allow Android users to experience the popular audio-based social network for the first time. However, the beta app is currently live in the US, but the company says the Android app will come to other English-speaking markets and then the rest of the world.
The arrival of Clubhouse on Android, the world's most popular mobile operating system, will only help increase the popularity of the app. Clubhouse began testing the Android app earlier this year. For those users outside of the US, they can pre-register their interest in the app via the Clubhouse page on the Play Store. Once the app is available in their country, the users will be notified.
Our plan over the next few weeks is to collect feedback from the community, fix any issues we see and work to add a few final features like payments and club creation before rolling it out more broadly, the company said in a blog post.
The invite-only app allows users to find and listen to conversations between groups of people. The buzziest social media app has millions of followers, including famous celebrities and tech honchos such as Elon Musk and Mark Zuckerberg. The social audio app lets people gather in audio chat rooms to discuss various topics, whether it's sports, tech, motivation, etc. Rooms are usually divided into two groups, those who are talking and those who are listening.
Thanks to the surge in popularity of Clubhouse, there is an increase in interest in audio-based social apps. Twitter recently expanded access to Spaces this month. Facebook, meanwhile, is developing an audio chat experience that could be added in the Messenger. Even Microsoft's LinkedIn is working on a similar feature. Clubhouse is currently valued at $4 billion. The app was launched last year by two tech veterans Paul Davison and Rohan Seth.
If you enjoyed this video, then hit the like button, share the video, and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.